In this video, we're going to look at some questions where you have an index that is an x or a y, and using the laws of indices to solve these equations. Starting really simply with 2 to the power of x is equal to 6. X has to be 6 for these to be equal. In the second equation, we need to write the bigger number in terms of the smaller number. So what is 81? 81 is 3 to the power of 4. So y then would be equal to 4. In this case, we need to bring the 25 up, or we can write it as 1 over 5 squared to begin with. So 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of minus 2. So x, in this case, is minus 2. 4 to the power of x is equal to 8 over root 2. Now, normally in these questions, we write all numbers. We have 3 different numbers here, a 4, an 8, and a 2. We write them to the power of the smaller number raised to a power. So what is 4? It's the same as 2 to the power of 2, and the x stays with the index, eh? That's equal to 8, which is 2 to the power of 3, over the square root of 2, which is 2 to the power of a half. So now we can bring the half up. 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 2 to the power of 3 minus a half. So 2 to the power of 2x is equal to 2 to the power of 2.5. So 2x has to be equal to 2.5. So x is equal to 1.25, or 5 over 4. Here we have 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 7 by 2 to the power of a half. So 2 to the power of x is equal to 2 to the power of 7. We add the indices, 7.5. So x is 7.5. And then 5 to the power of x is equal to 125, which is 5 cubed, over the square root of 5, which is 5 to the power of a half. We bring the half up and take it away. 5 to the power of 3 minus a half. So 5 to the power of x is equal to 5 to the power of 2.5. So x in this case is 2.5, or 5 over 2. So go back and practice these 6 questions, and you have mastered indices when we have an x or a y or any letter as a power.